How would you like to make $100,000 annually by posting 4 to 5 videos per year? It may sound too good to be true, but I will prove to you someone doing just that. How you can replicate that success and make money on YouTube with no camera, no recording of any videos, and no skills or experience. If you want to know how, then make sure you keep watching. Now, just before we start, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. Okay, so let's get started, guys. Now, the very first thing I want to show you is an example of someone doing this on YouTube and making a lot of money online. And then later, I will show you step by step how you can create similar videos in order to get paid. With that being said, this is the channel I want to show you. It's called Lounge V Films, Relaxing Music and Nature Sounds. As the name suggests, the owner of this channel uploads various relaxing videos, and what you will find when you scroll down is that the vast majority of the videos are these beach sounds, and people love listening to these to fall asleep, relax, or whatever. Now, there are two reasons we want to make these types of videos. First off, they are insanely easy to make. And secondly, because people love these, they get a lot of views, which in turn means that you can make a lot of money creating them. Take a look at some of these examples. This video has gotten 12 million views. This one here has gotten nearly 5 million views. This one has gotten 2 million views, and as you can see, people love these videos and they are popular, as I said. But here's the truly amazing thing about them. What these three examples have in common is that they are all made in exactly the same fashion. The video you see of the ocean is literally a 30-second to 1 minute long clip that is looping for however long the video is. This one here is 8 hours long, for example. And we of course have ocean sounds in the background, which are also no longer than a minute and are looping as well. Making a video like this is very simple and easy, and I will show you in this tutorial where you can obtain both the clips and the audio, and what tool you can use to combine the two so that you can make these types of videos and make a lot of money online. Speaking of, if you come over to Social Blade, you will see that the previously shown channel is making up to $120,000 a year, as you can see. And this is insane because if you come back to the channel, you will see that the owner has stopped uploading videos 9 months ago and is still making 6 figures a year by doing basically nothing. If he were uploading videos somewhat regularly, the numbers would most likely be 3 times higher at the very least. Point being here is that making these videos can earn you money passively as well. Furthermore, the owner of this channel never uploaded videos that often in the first place. Quite the contrary, actually. As you can see, in the past year, only 5 videos were uploaded, and this is because the videos are very long. This is a genius move, actually, because having longer videos has several benefits. First off, you can put more ads in said videos, which means you can make far more money per video. And secondly, you don't need to upload them that often, as I said a second ago. This channel only uploaded 5 videos in the past year, so long story short, making these videos is extremely easy, worthwhile, and you don't need to upload them that often at all. But before I go on and show you how to make them, I want to show you one more example first. This video is from a different channel, and if you scroll down, you will see that it has gotten over 50 million views. Now, you might be wondering why I am showing you this video in particular to you, apart from the views. Well, because if you play the actual video, you will see that this is just an image instead of a looping clip like in the previous examples. In other words, you don't even have to add clips in your video in order to get millions of views, because, as I said before, people love these kinds of videos. With all of that said though, without further ado, let me show you how to make these videos. Let's start off with the audio, where to obtain ocean sounds. A site I would highly recommend for that purpose is this one called freesound.org. On this platform, you can find audio that you can freely use in your own videos. And yes, we of course can find ocean sounds on this platform. But before you can go ahead and download them, you need to create an account. So you want to click on Register up here. On the next page, just enter in your username, email, and password before ticking this box and clicking on Create Account below. When you log into your brand new account, you now want to type in something like ocean waves, ocean sounds, and so on in the search bar. And when you do, you'll be able to find literally thousands upon thousands of sounds. If you scroll down, you will see that we are talking about over 1,500 of them, so more than enough for us. What you will now basically need to do is play some of these and see which ones you like best, and then open it up. To download the audio for free, all you gotta do is click on the download button located right here, and now you have ocean sounds for your new video. With that done, let me show you where you can obtain clips for your video. And by far, the best site for that is pexels.com. On this website, you can find both royalty-free images and videos. So in case you want to make a video like this without having to use a clip, you can. In any case, what you need to do is type in stuff like ocean in the search bar here, and you will now be able to find, as you can see, thousands upon thousands of both images and videos for you to choose from, and they all look absolutely amazing. You now want to find something good. Just a side note, you do want to invest just a tiny bit of time into this in comparison to myself, since after all, I am just showing you guys what you need to do, and as such, I'm trying to keep this video as short as possible. But basically, just invest a tiny bit of time to find the perfect video or image, depending on what you want. When you find something you like, simply open it up, then click on Free Download in the upper right corner to download this to your PC, and you will now be able to use whatever you download without fear of copyright problems because, as I said, the clips and images are royalty-free. Since you now have both the audio and video, you need to combine them somehow, and for that purpose, I would highly recommend OpenShot. This is a completely free video editing software that is perfect to use in this case. To download it, you want to come over to openshot.org and simply click on the download button right here. And with that done, I will now show you in Sony Vegas, which is extremely similar to OpenShot by the way, what you need to do in order to create those videos. So now we're in Vegas, guys, and as you can see, I have the video up here, and the ocean wave sounds just below. Here is literally all you need to do in order to create a loop. You just need to drag the video like so until it's 1 hour long and do the same thing with the audio, and that's literally it. No special skills required, no need to invest hours of your time into this, no paid software like Vegas is needed either. You just need to drag both of these until your video is like 1 hour long or however long you want to make it, and then you just need to render this and upload onto YouTube. And as you've seen, this takes no more than 10 to 15 minutes to do, and you don't need to upload that many videos that often in order to earn 6 figures a year in complete passive income. Anyways, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.